Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a biscuit sponge cake. And this sponge cake can be used as a layer in the mousse cake or entremets. It's very easy to make. We only require 3 ingredients. First, 2 eggs separated into egg yolks and egg white, 60 grams of cake flour, and 60 grams of sugar. Preheat the oven and prepare a baking tray of 10 inch by 12 inch and line with a parchment paper. Then we can start whipping up a meringue. When the egg white is foamy, add some sugar. And we add the sugar in 3 additions. At this stage, the meringue is still at a very soft peak, so we continue to whip the egg whites until we reach a stiff peak. Then add the egg yolks to the meringue. Lastly, we will add in the cake flour, and we add it in 3 additions. So in the beginning, I prefer to use the attachment from the blender to mix in the flour. Then we finish off the mixing by using a rubber spatula. Make sure that there is no visible lumps of cake flour, and also do take care not to overmix the cake batter. After that, transfer the cake batter to the baking tray. Spread out the cake batter evenly. You can use a scraper or an offset spatula. Bake the biscuit at 200 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes until the surface is in light golden brown. When the cake is done, remove immediately from the tray and let it cool on a wire rack. When the biscuit is completely cool, peel off the parchment paper from the biscuit, and you can cut the biscuit into any shape that you desired for your cake. So here you go. You have your biscuit sponge cake. It's very easy, isn't it? So next time you can use the biscuit as a layer for your entremet or the mousse cake.